If you're watching the news and thinking about purchasing a home, the media probably has you thinking that you should wait to purchase until the market corrects or until we see some giant crash happen in the market. Bad news is that's not what we're going to start to see happen. Interest rates have driven up and people are panicked. But what people have to remember is we were in unprecedented times because of COVID. What we had happen the last 2 years was nothing that has ever happened before historically. We had interest rates at an all-time low because of the pandemic, and we had a huge shortage on homes. As things start to progress, what we're going to see is a more balanced market. We're going to see home prices settle, not drop, not diminish. People who purchased are still going to have their equity built in. We might just not see homes have 20 multiple offers and go $100,000 over asking, which is a great thing for everyone involved. If you're thinking about purchasing, don't put it on the back burner, just strategize differently.